How to fix Bluetooth on and off button missing. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily fix Bluetooth on and off button missing. So the very first thing you want to do here is go over to your navigation bar at the bottom. Just tap on it and you can find Bluetooth over here. If you don't see this option, you need to go over to settings. So go to the start menu and click on the settings icon. Once you open up settings, you can find Bluetooth and devices on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on it, and as you can see, I have an option to turn on Bluetooth over here. If this option is missing, then in that case, you need to simply go ahead and first open up your Bluetooth services. Go ahead and tap on it, the search bar, and then search for services. Open it up, and once you are here, just tap on any one of them, type in B to go to Bluetooth, and then you'll get these Bluetooth services over here. First one is Bluetooth user service, then support service, and audio gateway service. So you basically want to make sure that your Bluetooth support service and your audio gateway service is running. Just right click on it and then go to properties. From your properties, if it's disabled, you need to make sure that its startup type is automatic. And then if the service is not running, you just click on the start option, click on apply, and then click on OK. Once you have done that, do the same thing for the other one as well. So let me just quickly go over here, click on Bluetooth audio gateway service, right click on it, properties. Then from here, make sure the startup type is automatic. If it's not running, run the service, click and apply, and then OK. Now, finally, the last step is to go to your device manager. And once you open up device manager, you need to basically find your Bluetooth drivers over here. As you can see, I'm able to find my Bluetooth driver here. If you can't see it, you need to go over to view and then click on show hidden devices. Then you might be able to find Bluetooth here. Click on the drop down, find your Bluetooth driver, right click on it, update the driver, and search automatically. If it says the best driver is already installed, you're good to go. That's basically it, guys. If you found the video helpful, like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.